Hello everyone, this is Hoda Ganji. In this video, we're going to work on project phasing, which is specifically helpful for renovation projects. So we have a project here, and first we're going to create some phases. It's basically considering time during modeling. So we're gonna have one new exits phase, we're gonna have new HVAC and new interiors. So I'm gonna go to my Revit file. Phases are under manage phases. We already have the new exits. After that, I want to create a new phase and rename it as new HVAC. And the third one, we're gonna have new interiors. How about I go with new HVAC, and after this we're gonna have new interiors. I'm gonna keep typing consistently, so that's why I'm gonna go with small letters. Okay, this looks good. Okay, and now the plan looks a bit small, the numbers, so I'm gonna go with a different scale, which is 1 to 50. So I'm gonna go here. If you don't find 1 to 50, it's just a custom one. Just create it 1 to 150. There we go. So let's continue. In phase new exit, we're gonna demolish the existing stairs and existing washroom. Okay, so in phase new exit, we're gonna demolish. Okay, so on level 1, if I scroll down here, you see that there is no filtering and the phase is existing, so that's good. We're gonna demolish them in existing. That means that the phase should be on existing at the moment. So we have this washroom here. It's very easy to demolish something. Like when you click on it, this demolish thing shows. So I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna get rid of this wall. I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna hit escape for a second. You think that there nothing happened yet. That's because face filter is unknown. If I change this to show complete, for instance, you see that those objects are gone. So I'm gonna keep demolishing that one. If you demolish the wall, the door will go away as well. That one, that one, that one, the stairs, the railing, the railing. If you change your mind, you want to change something, you can always go back to known. We demolished the stairs and the washroom area. We got rid of this whole part. It's gonna be a big open office. So I'm gonna go back to show complete. If I go to, let's say, 3D, you still see the stairs and everything. Why? Because phasing, show the phase is per view. So if I go with show complete here, this view also changes to show complete. And actually, now that I look at it, I see that I should get rid of the stairs on level 2 as well. So on level 2, I'm gonna go with another demolish under modify, and I'm gonna change this to show complete, and I'm gonna get rid of these objects. Just be careful not to demolish the structure accidentally or something else. You can hit tab, so it's gonna select the right object. Same with level 3. I'm gonna change this to show complete. Demolishing, you do it once, but in order to show it, you need to change the filter phase to show complete on each view one by one. So this area needs to be filled, of course. You know, that's where we miss the stairs. So if I go to 3D here, now you see the stairs are gone, but there is a hole, of course, that we need to take care of later. So I'm gonna close inactive views, and let's save the project. So we are good with step 2. Half of it. In phase new exits, demolish curtain walls where new stairs proposed. Okay. I'm gonna continue with the next steps, create the stairs and everything, and then I'll come back and I'll demolish the part of the curtain wall that I don't need. So going to the next step, in phase new exits, model or import new exit stairs both sides of the building. So first I'm gonna see if I already have a model. And by the way, in level 1, I'm gonna change the phase not to existing, but to the phase that I'm going to create the new objects, which is the phase new exits. So from here on, I need to change this to new exits. That's mean whatever I draw from now on, a wall, a door, is gonna be on new exits. Okay, now let's see if we have some stairs to load. So the stair is already modeled in a different file. I'm just going to import it. Now let's see what's the best way. I'm going to select everything here, and maybe I can just group them as stairs. Stairs. Okay. Okay, now if I click on it, I'm gonna copy this to clipboard, which is like Control C, copy here. Then I'm gonna go to the other project, and I'm gonna go with paste or Control V, which is the same as going with paste from clipboard. So I'm gonna go with paste from clipboard. Okay, I'm on level 1, and I'm gonna put this somewhere around here and finish it. Because I had already set this to new exits, that's why when I brought the object, it's gonna be under new exits. We're gonna flush it with the exterior side of the building on both grid 1 and the other side. So here, this part of the curtain wall is gonna go. So I'm gonna click on the curtain wall. I'm gonna type HH to hide it temporarily, which is going to hide element. I'm gonna go with a 3D view. Now I'm gonna go with WT so I can see both views at a time. So in the 3D view, uh, in this view, I'm also gonna change this to new exits. So now I see the stairs. And let's see, if I click on this wall, that is the foundation wall. It seems that we are going to flush the edge of the new component with the edge of this foundation wall. As you see in this detail, you still see the foundation wall. Then we're gonna probably create a small piece of floor to cover the gap here. So that makes sense. I'm gonna go here. First, I can use AL or align. I can align the edge of the component with that edge. Then I'm gonna use align again and align the whole component with the edge over there. Let's see it in this view. So it seems all right. Later, we need a little bit of a piece of floor to cover that gap over there, because if I go with HH here again, you see that the floor starts there. But that's good. I also need these stairs on the other side of the building. So I'm gonna select this, Control C, Control V again, and let's rotate this, a new one, 180 degrees. There we go. Now on this other side of the building, which is over there, we also have a new set of stairs. I'm gonna select the storefront wall. I'm gonna type HH to hide it. And maybe I can move this away for now. And I'm gonna move this a bit closer. And I can use align again, AL, aligning with the edge of the foundation wall and aligning with the exterior of the building. And of course, if I click here, I can move this out. I can move the dimension in. Now it's better. So what we have here is basically what we have in this detail. I'm gonna unhide the objects. So I'm gonna go back to step 2, and I'm gonna demolish the curtain walls. Just remember that if you wanna demolish something, if I demolish this now, we are demolishing it in phase new exits. So I'm gonna change back to existing. Now I'm gonna demolish this wall and this wall. Okay, then I can go back to my new exits, and this is what we're gonna have. We'll model the rest of the curtain wall again. The reason I demolished the whole thing is that it would have messed up the location of the mullion, so I decided to go with two whole new walls. Okay, let's go with the second part of step 3, model 350 foundation wall and footing to support new exits. So if I switch here, you see that we have foundation wall over there. That's what we are talking about here. Now maybe I can ungroup this for the rest of the project, and I'm gonna go to my footing level here. Let's see, I'm gonna have this on new exits. Show complete is easier to work with, so I'm gonna go with show complete. The phase is new exits, that's good. This is the foundation wall which is already there, and we're gonna create some more here. So we're gonna go with 350 foundation wall. So I'll go with a wall. I'm gonna go with generic 300 edit type duplicate, and I'm gonna create one which is 350. Then under edit, I'm gonna change this to 0.35. It seems that our units are on meters, so 0.35 is 350 millimeters. Okay, and okay. And here, how about I go with footing level up to level 1, that's good. Finish face exterior, that's also fine. So I'm gonna start from this point. It's on finish face exterior, so I'm gonna go from exterior. Feel free to hit a space, so it's gonna switch to the other one, and one click here. Also on the other side. For the rest of it, I'm gonna go with the arc option here, maybe this one. So I'm gonna go from here to here, and I need to hit a space, and here. Okay, so now you see the foundation wall is continuous. Although that one, the foundation wall is 200, this one is 350 because we have a thicker wall here, but the edge of it is continuous, so that makes sense. And this part is already in the ground, so that part we're not going to demolish. Let's keep it there. So this side is good, and the other side as well. Let's repeat it. Wall, finish face exterior, going from footing level to level 1, and I'm gonna click here once. We're gonna start from this corner, hit space till there, and from this corner to this corner, going to arc by 3 points. There we go. So that's the foundation wall, and see that because it was on new exits, this also is created on new exits phase. Okay, why does it matter? Because if I decide that I go to existing or any other level, I should be consistent with my phases. I'll go with show complete here, and I'm gonna change this back to new exits. Oh, I forgot about the footing part, so let's go back here. On 3D it might be easier, and I'm gonna go with structure. One of these, the wall foundation. I can click here, 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 and over there. One click, one click, one click. it seems that the rest of the wall didn't have that either. Because it's existing, I'm gonna leave it, but usually you have that foundation under all the foundation walls. Okay, so this is all good. Let's go with step 4. Insert provided elevator and model 200 generic shaft wall. So we are talking about this part of the plan. So the elevator is gonna be over there. We have a nicer, bigger view here. I'm gonna close this view. Feel free to save your file. I'm still on new exits. So let's open that elevator. So I'm gonna open the elevator, which is a family. This is the elevator. Open, load into project and close. And we want it like this, so the door opens to the left. So before clicking, I want to hit space 3 times. Now it's good. I'm gonna locate it somewhere around here, and we'll adjust it. So the foundation wall already is coming with the elevator, so that foundation wall needs to actually kind of overlap with that one, because they would actually only pour concrete on the 3 sides. So I can use a line AL to fix this side of it first. So that side is good. That's how you see it here. And the other side of it should be in a way that the concrete part of the shaft matches with the concrete part of the wall. So that would make sense, right? The concrete is continuous. So that means this is the concrete part of the wall. I need to go with AL, hit tab, select the concrete edge, then click here. So the concrete matches with the concrete. Then I can move this wall all the way over here. Okay, so what you see here is what you also see here. If I just go with TL for a second, you see that is similar to what we have here. TL switches between thin and thick line, which is also this icon at the top. So let's take care of the second part of step 4, which is model 200 millimeter generic shaft walls. So we know that it starts on level 1. Let's see how far it goes. If we see it here, that part is the shaft. It goes all the way to our roof plane. So I'm gonna go to my level 1. Again, we are still on new exits, and I'm gonna go with architecture wall 200 millimeter, and we're gonna go from level 1 all the way to roof plane, and I can go with either finish face exterior or finish face interior. Maybe I can go with exterior, starting from this point to this point. You see it's being created over there as well, all the way to this point and then this point. So that is the shaft. Now the stairs also need to go higher. Let's see if there are any sections in this file. There are no sections. Let's create some sections so we see how it's been working so far. We have section 1 over there, which is view number 3 on sheet 1. View number 3 on sheet 1 is this one. So this is our section 1. So it goes from this area then to the stairs over there. Let's create this section so we have a better idea. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go with view, a section view. I need to click on level 1 so section becomes active from here to here. Then we're gonna go with split segment, and similar to here, we're gonna split it. So it's gonna we're gonna move this part down till here, and actually the other side of it should go all the way on the left side of grid 3. So I'm gonna move this over there, align with this. Okay, So let's take a look at this section. In the section view, I'm gonna check, yes, it's a new exits. How about I click on my levels, move this a little bit outside, a little bit more. Okay, feel free to maybe hide crop region, go with fine level of details. Okay. Okay, so the stairs seem to be working okay here. I just need to have it on upper levels too. So as you see in here, let's select the stairs, hold Control, select the railing, hold Control, select the other railing. That's good. I'm gonna go with copy to clipboard and paste to align to selected level. It needs to go also on level 2. Okay, so now it goes all the way till level 3, and that's all we need. It doesn't need to go any higher. Okay, then I can select this wall and I'm gonna have it go all the way to the roof level. Same with this wall. You can hold Control and this wall and move all of them to the roof level. Okay, now it's much nicer. Let's repeat this on the other side. I'm gonna click on the stairs. Is this a still group? Yes, I'm gonna ungroup it so I can take care of the parts separately. One click on the stairs, hold Control, inside railing, hold Control, outside railing, copy to clipboard, paste to level. Which level? Level 2. And OK. Then I'm gonna select this wall, hold Control, this wall, and this wall, and I'm gonna move them all the way to the roof level. In these 4 steps, you learned about phasing in general. In the next step, we'll continue filling the gaps of the current model, and we're gonna switch to the other phases, which is a new HVAC or new interiors. And in this project, we're gonna do the renovations in different phases. So first someone takes care of all the exits, then the next contractor or the same contractor but in a different time takes care of new HVAC and in a different time of new interior. So we're gonna have one set of plans here, one set of plans here, one set of plans here, and the existing plans. So 4 plans we're gonna have from one single Revit model. That's it for this video. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe for more videos.